Every like is a shared heartbeat. Every subscription a promise of another story. Thank you for your love.
A promise was lost in the Roman rain, an echoing stone that whispers your name. At the Trevi fountain, our future was thrown. Now just a memory, I'm waiting alone. And corrispetto. Then your gift arrived through a nostalgic haze. The very same medallion, a message engraved, a love that time weathered, a promise was saved. Il tempo non cancella, time does not erase. Echoes in stone, our story. We'll meet again after the Roman reigns, in the city of forever, Rome, our Rome.
Enjoying our time together? Share the love by clicking subscribe. I can't wait to see you in the next one.